We're setting up our home bar for a holiday party because who doesn't love a good cocktail? So I'm gonna show you the glassware, bar tools, mixers, and spirits that you need, all while making an Applicious non-alcoholic Moscow Mule. I'm starting with apple cider, that's gonna be the base. So I'm gonna add 24 ounces of apple cider. Now I'm gonna add 18 ounces of clean V. So this is an apple flavored vodka substitute, which is so delicious. It adds like a really great flavor, a little bit of heat. It's got that botanical fragrance. And then last but not least, I'm gonna add 6 ounces of real lime juice. And that's gonna give it a really nice freshness. And then I'm gonna add some ginger beer because you can't have a mule without ginger beer. And I'm gonna put all 6 of these in there. And there goes my last ginger beer. Oh, I just love ginger beer so much. I sliced up a green apple, a red apple, and a lime. And I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a stir to make sure that all my ingredients are well mixed. And then just put your fruit in. That looks so beautiful. I love the colors and it smells amazing. That's it. Time to serve it. Most cocktails are gonna call for a base spirit. The main ones are your basics like whiskey or scotch, vodka, tequila, and gin. Next, you need some mixers like tonic and soda water, bitters, and lime juice. And you need a cocktail set with a shaker, a jigger, a muddler, and a cocktail spoon. I'm gonna set out some red wine with a decanter, and decanting is great because it can make even the least expensive wines taste amazing. And white wine in a bucket of ice. A classic wine opener like this is so great, especially the ones with a bottle opener. And copper mugs are classic for mules, and they're great for drinks that you want to keep nice and cold from the first sip to the last. Seasonal garnishes really make your drinks pop. I'm topping off my mules with cinnamon, limes, and apples. I hope that these ideas were helpful to you. Now let's get the party started. Happy holidays.